Vinegar is as tasteful drizzled on your Friday night fish and chips. But beyond the usual, here are some wonderful methods to get the most out of apple cider vinegar. 1. As a daily drink. Stir 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar into a big glass of water before bedtime. But keep in mind, always dilute it before drinking. By itself, vinegar's acidic nature implies it can be harsh on your throat and damage your teeth. 2. As a substitute to salt. Swap salt for a dash of apple cider vinegar to improve the taste of your typical meals. 3. As a salad dressing. Blend it together with olive oil, honey, and lemon juice trickled over crisp salad leaves. 4. As a steam facial treatment. Facial steaming opens your pores and assists to clear pollutants. To take the treatment to the next level, just add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar to a bowl of hot, boiled water. Cover your head with a towel and sit over the steam for up to 15 minutes. When you're done, splash your face with cool water and carefully pat your skin dry. 5. As a skin cleanser and toner. After rinsing your face with water, finish by wiping with a solution of equal parts water and vinegar. Before attempting this, do a patch test to prevent any skin irritation. 6. As a cleansing hair rinse. For a boost of moisture and shine that relieves an itchy scalp, apple cider vinegar is just the important things for thirsty hair. First, mix equivalent quantities of apple cider vinegar and water in a bottle. After washing your hair as usual, pour on the mix, then wash with water for softer, cleansed hair. 7. As a foot soak. There's nothing like an at-home spa treatment after a long day. And if you're handling cracked heels, foot odor, or fungal infections, soaking your feet in unfiltered vinegar might help. To attempt, include 1 part vinegar and 2 parts warm water to your foot bath. Soak for 10 to 15 minutes for silky, smooth skin. Thank you for watching the video, hope you found it helpful. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel.